Hey, you've probably seen shorts like this getting millions of views. So I tried the same thing and I upload the short and it got. We're recreating that exact musical ball animation in Blender.
All right, first things first, let's delete that sad default cube. Now I'm adding a new cube and modeling a platform where our musical ball will bounce. This tutorial isn't about modeling, so snap, fast forward, and we're done. Let's add a sphere. I'll lower its resolution, scale it down, and move it to the starting point. Next, drag the timeline up and split the window. Open the video sequencer, hit Shift-A, and add your sound file, just like this. Now, time for some physics fun. Select the ball, add a rigid body, change the shape to sphere, set friction to 0 and bounciness to 1. Then select the platform, make it a rigid body, passive, also set friction to 0 and boost the bounciness just a bit. Set shape to mesh for better collision. Now, if I play this... Oh, wait, the ball isn't even on the platform. Let's move that up. There we go. Still feels a bit off, so I'm rotating the platform to get that sweet bounce at the beat. Once the first bounce hits perfectly with the beat, we're golden. Now, go to the next beat, add another platform, and do the same thing. Bounce it on the beat. Just rinse and repeat for every beat. Move, rotate, adjust. Finally, add a ground plane, drop in a camera, go into rendered view, slap on some textures, and boom. That's your musical ball animation in Blender. Done.